Hello everyone and welcome to the exercise 7 of the MCAD laboratory. Here you need to create the front, top and side view for the given 3D drawing. So this is the 3D drawing. So for this 3D drawing you need to create the top, front and side view. As usual you need to draw this solid part in the solid modeling. After that you have to go for drawing view and you have to call this 3D part to the projecting the principal views. So you can build this model in various method. So one of the simplest method is first you start with the top reference plane. You draw this rectangle here in the top reference plane. So extrude it for a length of 20 mm here. So this rectangle. After that with this hole also you can extrude. After that you have to select the reference plane here. From this reference this surface you have to create a parallel plane at a distance of this distance is here it is 30. That means it is equally distributed, so 30 30. So you can you have to create a plane at a distance of 30 mm from this reference plane. Then you need to draw this closed sketch profile. Then you have to extrude it for a length of 30 mm. So let me discuss this model in the solid edge. Go to the solid edge, click on solid part, go to the protrusion command, click on top reference plane, draw a rectangle here. See the dimension 130 into 90. So 130. This dimension should be 90. Bring it this to center. So this should be 45 and this should be 65. So that it will come exactly in the center with this reference plane. So after that you can draw these holes here. So these holes are 6 holes of dia 15. So distance from here is 15 and this distance is 15 and this dimension is not given properly. So we'll take this as so total length is 130. So that so this dimension we assume it as 20 and 30 30. So try hole, diameter 15. The circle you can draw dia 15. Here to here is also 15. Okay. So this dimension you need to give. We are assuming this dimension which is not given here. Again we'll make this distance to this as 35. So this distance from here to here should be 30. So then we'll mirror this since we have 6 holes, so we can mirror these 3 holes, the reference to this plane. Click on mirror command here, box select these 3 holes, select this reference axis. So you can see here the 3 holes created. Instead of again drawing the holes giving the dimension, we can save the time by this mirror option. So then you click on return. So this completes your top view. The height of this is 20 mm, so give 20 mm here distance. Click on finish. So you can see here, so bottom portion is completed. Then you have to create a plane here with a distance of 30 mm from this reference. So click on protrusion command, click on parallel plane, select this reference plane and write the distance for the parallel plane as 30. So the plane is created and it is enter into the sketch mode. So here you need to draw this sketch. So this height is 60, you can see here. On this end 60 mm. After that you can see this distance as 30. So right here 30. After that you can see here this height is depth is 25. After that you have a semicircle of 15 mm radius. So 15 mm here, downward direction. So it is 25. Make it as 25 now. So that you have a radius of 15 here. So that if this radius is 15 means diameter is 30 here. That means this distance is also 30. So the center of this one is from here to here, this center is 15. So you need a center to draw the semicircle. So I'll draw a center here, 15 mm from this edge. Now you draw the semicircle here from this end of radius 30 or diameter 30 or radius 15. Now this height is 25. Similarly now here this distance is 10 mm. So 10 mm here, again 25. And after that 15 mm for center. Draw the another semicircle here from this end center. So diameter should be 30, radius 15. Now from this tangent to this, draw a height of 25 mm. Again you can see here this distance is 30. Now close this profile. Okay. Now you need to trim the unwanted portion here. Go to the trim option here. So this is not required. This is not required. This center is also not required. So the error may come for connectivity. Let me check. Click on return. So there is an error here. Here it is disconnected. So when you trim the circle, so this problem will occur. For that you need to delete this line and again connect it by proper channel. See here, this connection connect from this arc to this line here. Similarly, you delete this line. Here the symbol, connectivity symbol, it is showing. Click on that, then connect here. Delete this. Click on this end point, and from this to this end point. Similarly, you delete this. From this end point to this end point. Now click on return. Here. So this length is 30 mm. So enter here 30 mm. You can finish. So this finishes this solid part. Now you can see here everything is completed. And click on named views. Click on ISO. And click on file. Save it. OK. Save it as model 6, model 7. Save and close this. Go to the drawing view. Right click on sheet 1. Click on sheet setup and check this background. Select the A4 sheet. Click OK and check this background. OK. Click on fit. Then you go to drawing view wizard. Click on the model you have saved, model 7. Click open. Then click next. Click on front. Click on finish. Then you go for principal views. Select this front view. Drag towards downside to get the top view. Similarly, select this. Drag towards right to get the right view. Then again you go to the drawing view wizard. Click on OK. Click next. Click on ISO. Click on finish. This is the 3D model. Now you concentrate on dimensioning. Important dimensions you can show. So for the details you can write here, whatever written here. Similarly you can write here like with using text. Like this you can write here.